Today, humanity is extremely reliant on connected systems, and attack on a critical system can lead to devastating consequences. Cybersecurity is about protecting the resources that you have from a possible attack. Cybersecurity is not a product, it's a process, a praxis, or a way of working in order to protect your resources and to recover from a possible attack. It gets more and more important since the cybersecurity attacks increase every year. My field of work is within the product security, so I mainly work with certification of products. Certification is a way to increase product quality already at the design and development phase of a product. When you do a certification for a product, you look on the technical aspects of the product, but it ends up in contributing to the overall safety and security on the society level. RISE has a very long history working with certification, inspections and testing. RISE is also an independent organization. In the cybersecurity area, RISE can offer certifications towards consumer IT products, industrial control systems and information management systems. If certification didn't exist, the product wouldn't maintain a good quality level, which would mean that cybersecurity attacks could increase on the different systems. In the critical system, this can lead to devastating consequences. Example on critical systems is, for example, the energy sector, transport sector, banking sector, the healthcare sector, or the waste management sector. On a product level, the worst case scenario would be that the product cannot withstand an attack. This could lead to that someone takes control of the product, and this can have consequences on safety and security. To give an example, we can look in the lock industry. In Sweden, for example, we have the Swedish Theft Prevention Association, the SSF, that develops standards towards the lock industry. Before, the locks only contain mechanical requirements. Nowadays, locks are getting more and more digital. What's interesting is that there are now standards for certification within cybersecurity for digital locks. The certification area will definitely increase within the coming years. What's interesting to see is that both EU and the standardization organizations are working hard to get new standards out so we can certify products and systems towards these standards. The Directive on Network and Information System, the NIS Directive, was the first piece of EU-wide legislation on cybersecurity. The NIS Directive identifies key sectors where cybersecurity is crucial. It provides legal measures to boost the overall level of cybersecurity within EU. In order to complement the NIS Directive, EU is now working on a legislation called Cybersecurity Act. The Cybersecurity Act will be a certification framework for products, and ESA has a key role in developing and maintaining the legislation for the Cybersecurity Act.